Beautifully rustic home offices designing productive spaces for spring. Introduction: Embracing rustic charm for productivity. Welcome to Decor Lab, where we bring you the best in rustic home inspirations. In today's video, we're diving into the world of beautifully rustic home offices, focusing on how to design productive spaces perfect for the vibrant spirit of spring. As the season awakens, so should our creativity and productivity. This video will explore various elements that can transform your workspace into a serene, inspiring haven that combines rustic charm with modern functionality. If you love our content and find inspiration in these ideas, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below to let us know your thoughts. Creating a rustic atmosphere, the importance of design. When it comes to designing a rustic home office, the atmosphere is paramount. Rustic design embodies warmth and comfort, using natural materials like wood, stone, and metal to create a space that feels grounded and inviting. To begin, consider incorporating reclaimed wood elements, whether it's a sturdy desk, shelves, or accent walls. The imperfections in reclaimed wood bring character and history into your workspace, reminding you of the beauty of nature. Moreover, think about the colors in your office. Natural light, the key to inspiration. Spring is synonymous with brightness and growth, making natural light a crucial element in any home office design. Large windows that allow sunlight to flood in can drastically change the mood of your workspace. If you're blessed with a view, frame it with simple, rustic window treatments. Think linen or burlap curtains that can be drawn back to invite the light in. Additionally, strategically placing mirrors can help reflect light around the room, making it feel even more spacious and open. This emphasis on natural light not only lifts your spirits but also incorporating nature, bringing the outdoors inside. One of the key features of a rustic home office is the seamless integration of nature. As you design your workspace, consider adding indoor plants that thrive in a home office setting. Plants like snake plants, pothos, or peace lilies not only purify the air but also add a splash of greenery that enhances the rustic vibe. You can display them in beautiful ceramic pots or vintage containers to further emphasize the rustic aesthetic. Additionally, incorporating natural elements such as stone or wooden accents, like a desk made from a tree slab, functional furniture, balancing comfort and style. choosing the right furniture is essential for creating a productive home office. When selecting your desk and chair, consider pieces that combine functionality with rustic aesthetics. A large farmhouse-style table can serve as a spacious desk while offering plenty of room for your projects. Pair it with a comfortable, ergonomically designed chair that complements the rustic style, perhaps upholstered in a natural fabric or featuring wood accents. Remember that comfort is key. You'll want to ensure your workspace is not only stylish but also support technology integration. Modern meets rustic. While rustic design celebrates traditional aesthetics, it's essential to seamlessly integrate modern technology into your home office. This can be achieved without compromising the rustic feel. Opt for sleek, modern gadgets that blend well with your decor. Think wireless devices or vintage-style office supplies that complement your rustic theme. Additionally, consider a cable management system to keep cords organized and out of sight, maintaining a clean and uncluttered workspace. By blending technology with rustic design, you create an environment seasonal decor, refreshing your space for spring. As we embrace the beauty of spring, it's an excellent opportunity to refresh your rustic home office decor. Incorporate seasonal touches like floral arrangements, pastel-colored accessories, or light, airy textiles that evoke the freshness of the season. Changing your decor to reflect the seasons not only keeps your workspace dynamic but also enhances your mood and creativity. Consider a simple spring wreath for your door or a bouquet of fresh flowers on your desk to welcome the warmth and renewal of the season. Conclusion: your rustic retreat awaits. Designing a beautifully rustic home office for spring is not just about aesthetics, it's about creating a productive and inspiring space where you can thrive. By incorporating natural elements, personal touches, and modern conveniences, you can transform your workspace into a haven of creativity and comfort. We hope you found these ideas inspiring for your home office makeover. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your support helps us continue bringing you the best